Hi guys, I'm Lena, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to the pumpkin patch. It was brand new for me. I was super excited because back to Russia in my hometown, I never saw such type of event. I went to the all-time Christmas tree farm for my first ever pumpkin patch. And it's all not just about buying pumpkin and having fun, but also good reason to have a nice photo shoot and make some memories. And I know that most important memories are in our head, but I looking through my old photos and always have a smile on my face. And I have my own idea of what to wear or not to wear on your pumpkin patch photo to look great. And I came up with a little summary today, so let's go. So today we're mostly gonna talk about three aspects. It's colors, patterns, and fabrics. And if you ever went to a pumpkin patch before, you know they all have a lot in common, like grass, hay, and pumpkins. So for creating a nice outfit, the first and most important part is right color palette. And the main color of your pumpkin patch photos will be orange, obviously, because there's pumpkins everywhere. And if you do a little research about color matching, you can easily define what colors go best with orange. And I came up today with best color palette for you, but with my little corrections. Like, for example, I don't put purple because it matches orange in theory, and you can see this color combination in a lot of Halloween decor, but I don't really like it. And the reason I don't is since we go to farm, it's all about nature. So the main idea is that your outfit should smoothly mix with it and don't be some artificial spot. When you create your outfit, you don't have to think only about color matching, but also think about finding the colors that you can easily find in a natural environment, like the sky color, the grass color, something like that. You can easily say that bright neon colors it's not the best choice, and it's better to choose some soft, calm, natural muted colors. So there are two main types of color matching. It's tonal and complementary. For the tonal matching, the best choice will be various shades of orange, beige, and brown. And for the complementary color, the natural color will be great, like grass green and sky and water blue. Also, white and black are a basis and go great with orange. And not my personal favorite, but some red colors can look good. Just remember, not bright red, but more like maroon, vine, or ruby colors. So this is the final color palette that I came up with. You can even do a screenshot of it if you want to use it when you're creating a perfect pumpkin patch outfit. If you want to wear some patterns, the best will be plaid, because it's like signature fall pattern. And I also like any type of animal prints. Like cheetah or snake print is timeless classic for me, and it's especially great if they made in fall color palette. And if you're talking about fabric, all this sheer and lying fabric like silk, satin, or chiffon, it's more for summer or spring outfits. So for the fall outfit, it would be the best if your material will be thick and solid. It's enough theory for today, so let's look at the outfits. My first outfit is the most simple one, the one that everyone can do. Fun fact that it was actually inspired by Kylie Jenner's last pumpkin patch photo. Blue jeans and white tee is my go-to, and here I picked up a sweatshirt with a perfect calm orange color. It was pretty hot day in Houston, so I was wearing it around my hips. In this look, you can see all colors are natural, not bright, so it blends perfectly with the environment. The second outfit is good for more colder weather. I still wear colors from the palette. Here you can see black, and despite the fact that black is super strong color itself, it harmonizes with hay and pumpkins really great. And to spice up this outfit a little bit, I add a one statement piece, this cheetah print bucket hat. I'm a bucket hat fan and I have tons of them, and I'm actually gonna create a video about how to style them, so don't forget to subscribe so don't miss my future videos. This jeans is vintage Levi's and I put in the description link to a similar one. And this sweater is from men's section. Knitted sweater, especially if it's a little bit oversized, is great choice for pumpkin patch. It gives you so cozy feeling and create a really fall mood. And I found for you a few super cute knitted sweaters on ASOS. And also great idea is to take some knitted cardigan, for example like this, so you can add some trendy 2019 piece in your look. And the last outfit, as you can see, again in the same color palette, but here the different fabric, the leather, and it's not the real leather, it's fox leather by the way. And I added this teddy bear coat, but it's still too hot in here, and I mostly hold it in my hand and just wondering how I could dress up if I live somewhere on earth. By the way, this t-shirt you can find on my Depop. And here you can actually see the pumpkin that we took home with us that day. And this pumpkin is actually so small that I didn't know what to do with it, so I decided to make a simple sauce. And it's actually so easy to make and it doesn't look super fancy, but it's so delicious. I put a link to the recipe in the description if you want to try it. Thank you so much for being with me today. The next video will be in November already, so I wish you all happy Halloween. You can check out my Depop shop for nice Halloween stuff, and don't forget to subscribe, push the thumbs up, and see you next week.